the Shaw's factory. We are located in Shenzhen, Foshan, China. If you want to import our equipment to your country, feel free to contact me.